For subscribers and friends, how are you guys doing today? Yeah, it's been a busy week though, but we appreciate it all. Yeah, as usual, this another challenge I'm doing right now. Last week I posted a challenge where I flipped $20 into $200 under 24 hours. Yeah. So I mean, it sounded so good to be real. People doubted. People doubted. Yeah, I mean, they'd be like, how can you make 1,000% of an account in just 24 hours? So they just doubt it. So right now, I'm trying to repeat the challenge. Okay, so you take a look right now. I'm a day trader, so probably seen, marking out a lot of zones because, I mean, for you to make that amount in 24 hours, you need to constantly trade. Look at all these zones I just marked out. Yeah, I need to mark them out so I can be able to, trade some profits. Yes, and as you can see, this market is massively in an uptrend, so you always look for opportunity to buy with this place acting as a resistance. Yes, so that's what I've been doing. But yeah, most traders tend to tell you, this the good part of it. They never tell you the bad part of it. Actually, yesterday I deposited about $34. I deposited $34. Yeah, yesterday. Okay, let's see. Yesterday, yeah, I deposited $34. As you can see, deposited $34. So people don't like talking about it, but guess what? I almost blew my account. Yes, yeah. I'm a professional, but that's it. Sometimes you gotta also tell people about the bad side. You know, trading later account is very tough. That I flip it like it's no big deal doesn't mean it's no big deal. It's quite difficult. So as you can see, I almost blew my account. I almost did blew it. I mean, I traded to the extent that I had my account running below $18. So I almost blew half of this account even before I started profiting. Now you can see I've doubled the account already. Yeah, I already doubled my account, as you can see right here. This was the initial deposit, so I already doubled it. Yes, so that's it. So I'm still growing this account right now. I'm trying to build it to maybe up to try to make 4 times of my deposit, like maybe up to $140. Let's see how much I can make within the next 24 hours. Okay, so I'm building this account. Actually, right now I've doubled it already. I'm still going to try to double this current amount, $67. So at least I want to make up to $140. Yes, because I'm going to do it, and then I'm going to keep you in touch and maybe withdraw it and show everybody, at least to show that it's no joke. Okay, this was the same account where I built the $20. Let me show you. Okay, I think I did that last week Friday. So let me see. Last Friday was worse. Last Friday should be 8. Okay, let me see. Yeah, as you can see, as of that day I deposited I think 20 point something dollars. Yeah, I can't even find it. Yeah, here is the deposit I made that day. There's the deposit. So I made a deposit of $22.40, and then I tripled it. I made 200. I mean, not tripled it. I mean, I made 1,000% of it. I made $200 in less than 24 hours. So that's it. So that's what I'm trying to repeat the challenge right now, at least to show my credibility and then my ability to do that over and over again, at least to build trust. Okay, so back to today. So you're still looking for. So right now the challenge is still on. I've already doubled the account in less than it's not even up 24 hours. Yes, I already doubled the account. So right now I'm gonna try to keep going, and then like I said, I want to build this account up to $140 or $200 in the next 24 hours. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so keep in touch. I'll keep you updated and show you live proofs and then my live trades. Yeah, maybe one of these days I show you guys the tricks about, because running little accounts is very difficult. Yeah, but let me share with you later. Now, when you're building a little account, you don't want to always be trading all the time, else you're gonna blow your account. So for building little accounts, you want to do one thing, and that one thing is this: you want to take high probability trades. Okay, trades that you're sure that they are going to not be anything less than a profit, or at minimum give you a $1 loss. So you want to see a high probability trade, and they want to have good entry. These are the two key points I use in my trading. So if I'm to put a trade right now, so what I'm doing now, I'm waiting for something before I enter a trade. So this was initially a downtrend. Okay, sorry. If you look here, you see that this was initially a downtrend. Okay, was it hit this zone, then reacted immediately because this zone is a no zone. This one is a resistance. This one is a resistance. Sorry, this is a resistance. So once the market hit that zone, it respected it immediately by doing what? Going low. So, but I know something. This can be all of it. I mean, this is potentially a buy market, you know. And then just because it just hit this zone, and then started returning, does not make it a sell. So what did I do? I marked out my zones. So I marked out this zone. At least my price always react each time it gets to this zone. I also marked out this zone. Yes, this zone. So what was I doing? I said, okay, if market reacted at this zone, at this zone, so that means it will rebound. But where is it likely going to reach and then start going up again? Because this is an uptrend, it must continue its uptrend at least until it proves otherwise. So what I did was that I marked out these zones, and once price got to this zone, once price hit my zone, what did I do? I went lower. I went to a lower time frame to look for an opportunity to buy immediately. And if you look here right now, this was where I wanted to enter a buy because I saw a doji candle right here. I saw a doji candle, but I waited for another 15 minutes to be sure. So by the time the next 15 minutes got out, it was already validated. So what did I do again? I had to wait. So but at the end of the whole thing, I ended up entering a buy somewhere around here, and then I took my profits around here. And as you can see, like as if I knew it, market got here, and began to, go down again. So I had to wait again. But I'm waiting for another opportunity right now to buy. So that's the whole thing. Just let the market. You want to take high probability trades, and then I want to have good entries. That's the key points I'm using in building this little account right now. So yeah, as you can see, it's moving. So right now, I would have a bit late. I should have entered earlier. Okay. Now you have to wait for this market to at least fall to this one again before I continue this buy trend. At least I expected the market should at least get to this zone, this blue zone right now. I'll take off my profit. So right now I'm going to go a buy anyways. Yes. So I'll put my TP right here because once market gets here, it will react before continuing. Okay. And as when building little accounts, not everybody knows how to hold trades. So what I do is I trade and take profit, because most times your trades could be wrong, and then at the end of the day you end up losing the whole thing, So it's right, you trade and take your profit. At least you have something. So this is it. You see, it's already in profit. You see that? So it's magical, It's still moving. But I have a feeling I should take it right now because you know why? I didn't enter earlier and then keep watching it. You see decreasing. So that's not the key thing. I should have entered somewhere around about. For the purpose of this video, I wasn't watching and it broke out already. So now I'm going to wait for the price to react again and come down before I enter. So that is it. Hope you get something out of this. The key point is high probability trades, good entry zones, and then pinpoint your reaction zones and then take a profit from those points. Okay, now I think this price will continue going down, okay, after this reaction. So that's it. So that's the magic in it. So I'm gonna keep building this account and then until I at least make $140 within the next 24 hours. So keep in touch. I'll keep you guys updated.